everyone, welcome to all of you on this Spell community and YouTube channel of the Spell community. So I hope you are watching all the sets of important questions, and today we will see the set number 10 of most important question for the CUET exam. So all questions will be important, and what will we do in this complete video? Whenever you can see the question, you have to pause the video, try to solve it. If you could solve, that's really great. If you couldn't solve, that's also okay, no problem. At least you have tried. So this is how we will complete this complete set. So let's start. And before that, if you're new to this channel, then subscribe it and you can watch all the videos, so that you have to press the bell icon, so you will get all the notifications. Okay. So let's start. Here is your question number 1. Let's solve it. What are they saying? Now, sum of 6 consecutive odd numbers is 150 more than average of these 6 numbers. Find the sum of highest and lowest number. So first of all, which will be those 6 consecutive odd numbers? Suppose first number is a, second number will be a plus 2, third number will be a plus 4, fourth number will be a plus 6, fifth number will be a plus 8, sixth number will be a plus 10. These are the 6 consecutive odd number. Then what are they saying? The sum of all this is a 150 more than the average of this. So if you add all of this sum is equals to 150 more than average of this. So what will be average of this? Average will be first term plus last term by 2. That means a plus 10 by 2. So how much it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times of a plus 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, which is equals to 150 plus, this will be equals to what? A plus 10 by 2. That means it will be equals to 2a plus 10 by 2. So if you take 2 common, it will be a plus 5 divided by 2, 2 will get cancelled. So it will be 150 plus a plus 5. Is it? This one will be only the remainder. So if you solve it, what will it be? 6a minus a is equals to 150 plus 5 minus 30. So 5a is equals to what will be this? 125. So value of a will be equals to 25. So what they have asked you? Find the sum of highest and lowest number. So lowest number is a 25 and highest is a plus 10, which is equals to 25 plus 10 means 35. So what will be the sum of these two? Sum will be equals to 5503 carries a 1. Sum will be equals to 60. So your answer is option number A. That's it. Easier. I hope you understood this. Now we will go for the second question. So let's see the second question on the screen. P and Q started a business by investing rupees X and X plus 100 respectively. After 3 months, P withdrew 40% of his initial investment. So this is a P, this is a Q. P has invested X, Q has invested X plus 100. After 3 months, means this X was invested for 3 months. After 3 months, P has withdrawn 40%. So what will be the remaining? 40% withdraw कर लिया means remaining will be 60%. That means 3 by 5 of X for remaining 9 months, right? At the end of year, what is the profit? And we know that this Q has invested for 12 months. So if you took a 3 common here, will be x plus, if I took a 3 outside, 9x by 5. Here x plus 100 into 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are. So what will be this value? 5 plus 9, 14x by 5 is to 4 times of x plus 100. So you can see what will be this ratio? 14x, this 5 will goes to that side. 14x is to 5 fours are 20 times of x plus 100. This is the ratio of P is to Q. And what is their profit? We can see P got 210 out of the 230. So if you find out P by Q, P is a 14x divided by 20x plus 2000, which is equals to, what is this one? P has received a 210. So what will be the Q received? Cube will receive 530 minus 210. That means 0, 2, 3, 320. So if you solve it, what will it happen now? 7 2s are 7 30s are. 2 1s are 2 15s are. So what will it be now? 320 is equals to 15 into 2 is a 30 300x plus 15 2s are 30,000. So 20x is equals to 30,000. So you can see a 0 cancelled. Value of x will be equals to 1500. So your answer will be option number D, that is a 1500. Is here. Now we will go for the next question. Question number 3 is here. You can pause the video and try to solve. A man invested rupees P on SI at 18% per annum for 3 years and received 0.5P plus 100 as a interest. If man invested P plus 3500 on CI at 10% per annum for 2 years, what will be the amount? So we know that SI is equals to PRT by 100. So what is this one? SI is a 0.5P plus 100. Here is a P, R is a 18% and T is for a 3 years divided by 100. So how much it will be? If you solve it, 18 threes are 54. 54 by 100. 0.5P plus 100 is equal to 54 by 100 means 0.54P. So this 0.5 will goes to that side. So 100 will be equals to 0.54 minus 0.5 will be 0.04P. So value of P will be equals to 100 by 0.404. That means double zero will be there to remove this decimal. So P will be equals to 10,000 by 4 means 2500. So what are they saying now? For the CI, if he invested, so what will be the new P? P plus 3500. That means 2500 plus 3500. It will be equals to now, P will be equals to 6000. This is what at 10% for 2 years. So what will be the amount? 6000 into 10% means into 110 for 2 times because he has invested for 2 years. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 will get cancelled. 6 into 1, 2, 1, 0. 0 as it is, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 is a 7. So your answer will be option number B, that is the 7260 will be your amount. Easier. Now we will jump on the next question. What are they saying here? The ratio of mark price to selling price of an article is a 5:3. MP by SP is equal to 5 by 3. So if MP is equal to 5x, SP is equal to 3x. So we can say that discount is equal to 2x. Let's read the question first. Shopkeeper gets a profit of 40%. Okay, even on this, shopkeeper get a profit of 40%. If shopkeeper sells the article at its mark price, then the difference between the cost price and mark price of article will be 400. So what will be this cost price now? What is the cost price? On this cost price, he has a profit of 40%. Means CP into 140 by 100 is equal to 3x. So you can say here CP will be equals to 3 into 10 means 30 by 14x. This is your CP and this is your mark price. Sorry. Just this is your mark price, right? Your mark price is a 5x, CP is a 13 by 14x. So what are they saying here? If difference between the CP and MP is a 400, that means MP minus CP is equals to 400. Where value of MP is a 5x. 5x minus 30 by 14, x is equal to 400. 14 5s are 70. 70 minus 30 is a 40x by 14 is equal to 400. You can see here this will be 10 times. So x will be equals to 14 tens are 140. So what they are asked you here? They are asked you what is the CP. So CP is equal to 30 by 14 into x. X means 140. So this will be equals to 10 times of CP. That means it will be equals to 300. So your CP will be equals to option number D, that is a 300. Easier. Now we will jump on the next question. Question number 5 is here. Let's try to solve. Vessel contains mixture of milk and water in the ratio 7:3. If 50 liter of milk is added into mixture, then quantity of milk becomes 80% of the resulting mixture. Find the initial quantity of milk in the mixture. Milk by water. It was a 7x, this is a 3x. They are saying that 50 liter milk is added. So I'm adding a 50 liter milk. So that resultant mixture quantity of milk is a 80%. If milk is a 80%, what will be the quantity of water? It will be a 20%. So this ratio will be 4 by 1. So if you do the cross multiplication, 7x plus 50 is equals to 4 3s are 12x. So 12 minus 7, 5x is equal to 50. So value of 1x is equals to 10. So they have asked you what is the initial quantity of milk. So initial quantity of milk was a 7x. That means 7 into 10 will be equals to 70. So your answer will be option number D. Initial quantity of milk is a 70 liter. Easier. Now let's jump on the question number 6. Arun spent 60% of his monthly salary on accommodation, 15% of remaining salary on entertainment, and remaining salary he saved. If the difference of amount spent on accommodation and his saving is a 3510, find out his monthly salary. So as we know that what is the spend, suppose his salary is a 100x. So he had spent on the accommodation will be 60%. So we can say that it will be equals to 60x. Then 50%. So what will be the remaining? So remaining will be equals to 40x. And out of this remaining 50% saves on is based on the entertainment, right? Sorry, it means spend on the entertainment. So we can say that on entertainment 40x into 15%. That means how much it will be? 22s are 25s are 5 into 3s are. So 6x on the entertainment. So what will be its saving? Saving will be equals to out of this 40x, 6x has been spent. So he is saving a 34x rupees. This is the saving. And accommodation was the 60x. So if the difference amount spent on the accommodation and saving is a 3510. So accommodation minus saving, that means 60x minus 34x is equals to 3510. So what is this difference? 26x is equal to 3510. 13 twos are 13 twos are 26. There will be 9. 13 sevens are 91. 0. And x will be equal to 270 ka half. That means it will be 135. So they have asked you what will be the monthly salary. So his monthly salary was equal to 100x. That means 100 into 135, which will be 13,500. So his answer will be option number. Okay. Now let's see the next question. The length of a train A is half of the length of train B. The ratio of speed of train A to B is a 4:3. If train A and B cross 100-meter long platform in 5 seconds and 10 seconds respectively, find out the length of a train. So what can we say now? Length A is a half of the length B. That means suppose LA and LB. So if A is a half, means LB is equal to 2 times of LA will be half means 1 times of L. And what we know that speed of SA is to SB is equals to 4 by 3. Ratio is a 4:3. If train A and train B crosses a 100 meters long platform in a 5 seconds, right? So what can we say that speed is equal to for the SA, that means 4x is equals to distance upon time, right? Speed is equal to distance upon. So what will be the distance? Length of the train, that means L plus 100 meter in a how many seconds? In a 5 seconds. And similarly for SB, 3x which is equals to twice of L plus 100 and this cross in a 10 seconds. So what will be this equation? 5 fours are 20x is equal to L plus 100 and this will be 30x is equals to 2L plus 100. So if you solve this equation, if you subtract it, what will happen? 100 will get subtracted. Minus 10x is equal to minus L. L minus 12. So you can say that minus minus will be plus. So you can say that 10x is equal to plus 10. Is it? So what they have asked you, find out the length of train B. That means we have to find out this twice of L. So if you substitute in this equation, as I know that 20x is equal to L plus 100. So 10x is equal to L. So 20 will be equals to what? 20x will be equals to twice of L. Is it? So 2 times of L is equal to L plus 100. 12 minus L will be L is equals to 100. Where L is the length of first train. They have asked you find out the length of train B. So LB, which is equal to twice of L, which will be equal to 2 times of L. That means 200. The answer will be option number A. It is again easier. You just have to solve it like a simultaneous equation. Before that, form this equation. That's it. So the next question is here, question number 8, which is the question of inequality. Okay, so what are they saying is symbol based inequality. So in this one, you have an equation like a Q is a greater than equals to W, greater than Y, equals to E, less than equals to U, less than P, greater than S, less than equals to T. And your first conclusion is a Y is less than P. Now what we say here, we will just look out at the Y and P. So you can see this is the Y, this is the P. So in between this Y and P, Y is equal to E, less than equal to less than, which means they have only symbol of less than, that means it will follow. So this one, because the relation between Y and P will be what? Y or E both are equal, less than equal to U, less than P. Means Y is a less than U is a less than P. So obviously Y will be less than P. So first one will be follow. Similarly, if you find out for the second one, W is greater than S. Now if I find out the W and S, relation of W and S. So this is my W, this is my S. So if you going from W to S, you can see this is a greater than, less than, equal to, less than. If there are opposite symbols, then it never follows. So your answer will be only one true. That means answer is option number A. That is the only one follow. That's it. Now we will do the next question here. Study the following information carefully and answer the given below. A is the mother of D and B. Okay, A is a mother of D and B. G's daughter is married to D. G's daughter is married. G's daughter is married to D. That means D must be a male member. Is it? And G's daughter is married to B. Then F is a brother-in-law of H. Okay, we do not have anything here. H and M are not siblings. Okay. M is the sister-in-law of B and vice versa. So you can see this is what? Vice versa means both are sister-in-law of each other. That means B must be a female member and this is a M which is a sister-in-law, right? Both are sister-in-law of each other. F is the only brother of G. F is the only brother of G who is the grandmother of K. That means G is a grandmother, means G is a female member. She has one daughter M and grandmother of K. So, is there anything given? Yes, they were saying that F is a brother-in-law of H. That means G must has a husband of H, so that F will be the brother-in-law. So, is it done now? F, G, H, A, B, C, A, D, B, M. Okay, A, D, M, K. Correct. So, what they have asked you now here? Who is the grandfather of K? So, K's grandfather will be what? M is a mother, mother's father. Because A does not have any husband, they haven't given. So, this one H will be the grandfather of the K. Answer will be option number C. Easier. Now let's solve the last question. Study the following information carefully and answer the question given below. 6 persons are arranged according to their height in descending order. Q and P are taller than you. Q is a taller than you. P is a taller than you. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons are there. Then next one, what are they saying? Only one person is shorter than T. Means T से shorter सिर्फ एक ही person है. Means T is a second shorter. Only one person is shorter than T. Then R is a taller than U but shorter than Q. R is a taller than U but shorter than a Q. That means Q R U must be here. Then difference height of R is a 154 and difference between R and P is 8. As many persons taller than P as shorter than U and S is a shorter than U. S is a shorter than U. That means after this U, we know that S is a shorter than U. Now you can see here Q, R, U, these three. And again U say P be greater. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 places for P, Q, R, U. We don't know how those will be arranged, but these 4 will be greater than T. So obviously after U there is a S. So of course we have a five persons P, Q, R, U and S. So P, Q, R, U all will be here because we know that Q, R, U should be these three. So after T there is no any place. So of course those will be here. And we know that P is again greater than U. That means U से यही पे होना चाहिए. So obviously this will be S. And they are saying that as many persons taller than P as shorter than U. So अगर P को suppose मैं यहाँ पे बोल दूँ तो P से एक greater है तो यहाँ पे U आना चाहिए था which is not here. So if I am saying that P is a here, so P से जितने greater है उतने U से shorter हो जाएंगे. So this should be the sequence. So now this is the U, this is the P. So which is the remaining now? R and Q only. And out of those we know that Q is higher than R. So this will be Q, this will be the R. And we know that R is a 154 and P, whatever they saying that difference between R and P is a 8. That means P will be 154 minus 8, which is a 146. But now you can see what they have asked. They have asked you who among the following is the second shortest. So if only this question is there, then you can answer in a second statement itself because only one person is shorter than T. So this single statement says that T is the second shortest. So answer will be option number C. T is the second shortest. That's it. So I hope you have understood all those questions, and if you are willing to join the TISS community, if you really wish to get access to our live classes, to our mock strategies, free resources, number of things, then you just have to comment down TISS and you will get the link and you can join it. So you just have to comment down this. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will again meet in the next video with either with the number of questions or with any topic. If you have any doubt in any of the topic, you can comment down. You will get the video of that topic also. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care and stay tuned.